What's your terrible catchphrase that nobody laughs at?
Hey, people!
Nobody laughed.
Nobody's laughing. Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna say again, come to Fat Boys! Fuck you, we're slow, kill yourself! Mum? Dad? Brother, sister? Oh, I'm stuck! Fuck!
It's been nice.
It was hard! Sorry, I'm gonna say it, don't be funny. I'm listening to the rules. Don't be funny, but oh man,
That was a
That's a
paradox.
tough one because they're asking you what's a phrase that doesn't make people laugh. You
Yeah.
have to make that funny. Yes, I understand, but
Right for Fady? Chloe, what do you reckon?
great already.
I feel the same. Okay, so it's there was a trick question. Absolutely agree, but you bombed. Sorry.
No, I'm putting a meta. No, next one. Give me next one. Thanks for input, guys. Next one. Yes!